sweet banana milk vermicelli pasta soup, or banana semiya, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the pasta recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the milk recipes and one of the most unique of the banana recipes and one of the most delicious of the dessert recipes and one of the most different of the sweet recipes and one of the most unique of the snacks recipes and one of the most delicious of the soup recipes, one of the most unique of the milk recipes. Today we are going to make banana vermicelli pasta soup or sweet banana vermicelli pasta dessert soup. We have taken 150 grams of banana which we have cut into very small pieces, 100 grams of vermicelli pasta, 15 grams of raisins, 15 grams of cashew. Heat the pan, pour in 15 to 20 grams of clarified butter, put in the raisins, salt, the raisins, salt until the raisins are cut up. Take off the pan. Put in cashew, salt, once they're browned, take off the pan onto the plate. Put in the banana pieces. Salt. Put in the vermicelli pasta. Sort the vermicelli pasta thoroughly. thoroughly saute and mix. Now put in the rest of the banana pieces. Thoroughly mix. Thoroughly saute and mix. Now pour in 150 to 200 ml of water. Mix. Mix all the ingredients in the water. Let it boil. Now put in 5 spoons of sugar. Mix. Mix thoroughly. Mix the sugar thoroughly with the rest of the mixture. Mix thoroughly. Now pour in 200 ml of milk. Mix thoroughly. Put in some raisins, bananas and cashew on top as toppings. Now the sweet banana vermicelli pasta soup is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final sweet banana milk vermicelli pasta soup, or sweet banana vermicelli pasta dessert soup. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the banana recipes and one of the most unique of the pasta recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the vermicelli recipes and one of the most delicious of the milk recipes and one of the most unique of the soup recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the dessert recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.